love. Fire in the eyes, naked to the bone of the lovers that skies.
What are you looking at?